Guys, in my neighbor's house, there's currently this missing cat. Please, someone say, is this your cat? I don't know. My mom just posted about this on Facebook. There's this cat. It's missing. I feel so bad for the cat. Look, please send this to everyone. Let us know if this is your cat. Please. I think the cat's eye is getting irritated by the sun, but this poor cat. I need to face this way. This is the cat. Oh my god, I feel so bad. Please tell us, is this your cat? I mean, look, the cat's so cute. Is it? I mean, the cat must be missing because it's like well fed, as you can see. Please let us know, is this your cat? We'll also look on Facebook. There's a picture of the cat too on Facebook from my mom's account. Please, someone get your cat. The cat looks exhausted. Someone, this cat is not supposed to be outdoors for this long. Cat been crying. This poor. So I'm gonna leave the comments on. I'm gonna be sure of it. I'm not gonna forget this time. I'm gonna leave the comments on. Please, someone claim your cat.